Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deondra and today I'm doing my 4K giveaway for Instagram. So first of all, I just want to start off by thanking y'all so much for all of your support over on Instagram and on YouTube. It really does mean so much to me, and I just want to show y'all some love by doing a giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away a Go Sleek Silk Curler, and if you saw my video using this, then you saw how pretty my curls came out. They were so voluminous and effortless. I really loved the way that my hair looked. And this Go Sleek Curler, you can use it on your natural hair, on relaxed hair. You can use it on wigs, clip-ins, whatever you want. You can use this silk curler on it, and it just really gives you some nice pretty curls, and it's really easy to put in. Like, it's just so easy, and you don't even have to use heat for it, so that's always great. So inside this box is a clip, there's 2 scrunchies, there's a little bag that you can store your silk curler in, and then of course there's the actual silk curler itself. So if you win the giveaway, then you will get all of that comes inside of this. But if you don't win the giveaway, but you still want to try out this silk curler, then you can go to gosleek.com and use my discount code, deondralavon, and you will get money off. Alright y'all, so there's 2 things that you have to do in order to enter this giveaway. Number 1, of course, you have to be actually following me on Instagram. So if you're not already doing so, then head over to my Instagram at deondralavon and hit that follow button. And number 2, you have to tag at least 3 friends in order to enter. So if you do those 2 things, then you will be entered. But if you want some bonus entries, then you can tag additional friends. So I will give you 1 bonus entry for every 3 friends that you tag. So make sure that you tag all of the friends that you can so that you can get those bonus entries. Another thing that you can do is repost this video to your Instagram stories. If you do that, you will get 1 bonus entry. And last but not least, if you are subscribed to me on YouTube, then you will get 5 bonus entries, and on top of that, if you win the giveaway, then I will throw in a little extra prize for you for being a YouTube subby. Perks of being a subby. So make sure that you join the clique and hit that subscribe button so that you can potentially win 2 prizes. Alright y'all, so that's everything that you have to do. Thank y'all so much for your support again. Good luck to everybody. This giveaway is going to start right now, and it will end this Sunday at 6:00 p.m. So make sure that you get all of your entries in by 6 o'clock on Sunday. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with all of your friends, and I will see y'all next Friday in my next video. Bye!